I'm Luke Berg from MoldMaster Services Corporation. I'm a project manager here. Been here for about 20 years, a little over 20 years. MoldMaster offers industrial cleaning services, particularly bin cleaning, silo cleaning. Within the food industry, there's a need for sanitizing, pre-commissioning bins, occasionally vacuum services. When the material gets contaminated, they need to get rid of it. Safety in the food industry or any industry is important. We pride ourselves on that. We're approaching a 4-year mark with no incidents or accidents. In the industry, when we show up at a site, there's always an orientation, and we cover the specific rules at the plant. And then in the food industry, we cover the FDA and the good manufacturing processes that they follow at that location. There's usually a pre-project meeting before we get going. Before any project in the food industry, there's lots of pre-work done with our project managers and our customers. They have an objective. We come up with a plan. We discuss it and line it out. Safety is always number one for us, and following the particular rules for the FDA or the good manufacturing processes at their site based on the materials and the job we need to do, we can prepare ourselves and our equipment before we even get there. So in the food industry, this specific tools or equipment we use, number one is our Big Mold proprietary system. We incorporate food grade equipment, and prior to using any of that, we sanitize everything. Usually it's on site with solutions that the customer has. Many of these jobs involve confined space. All of our technicians are annually trained in this. Our equipment is annually certified. When we're in the bin, there's ice blasting we use, soda blasting we use. In the instance of a cornmeal or a flour silo, depending on the problem or the need, it could be a red bug infestation or just an annual cleaning, which we do a lot of. There's a couple different ways to go about it. Again, the proprietary Big Mold, we would pre-sanitize our equipment. A lot of times it's a confined space entry where we would brush down or scrape the walls. We also use hot water that is approaching 200 degrees, almost steam, by the time it gets down into the silo, which will kill the bugs. Included in a flour or cornmeal silo is the conveyance lines from the supply truck, and then the lines that go into production. We offer pipe pigging and swabbing of the lines. You shoot one into the silo and then find a place in the production area and run the pig back to a suitable place where you can catch it and capture all the freed materials so they can dispose of it on site. MoldMaster's different a number of ways. We've been around 38 years in the industry. Our project managers collectively have 160 years of experience. So between all of us, there's not much we haven't seen or worked on or dealt with. So we use our experience with the objectives that the customer has for a project and work together to get their problems resolved.